Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 on iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to log in your account but you're facing this issue and you are unable to log in your account on iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply wait for the cooldown period and it will be automatically disappear when the time is reached. So guys, you have to simply wait for 24 to 48 hours and after this try to log in your account again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply check your network and location on your device. So guys, for that you have to simply open settings and then you have to scroll it below and you have to go to language and region. For that, go to general and then go to language from here and change your language or region on your device. So guys, simply change your language and region, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply clear app data. So guys, for that you have to simply open App Store and download and install the latest version of Snapchat on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open any browser and search for support Snapchat. So guys, simply search support Snapchat or Snapchat support and then open this website, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Snapchat team. So guys, select the reason, and after this you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.